The episode starts with Wagayo breaking someone's coffee pot. She apologizes. After that, Wagayo says, I can pay for the coffee pot. But the stranger girl says, pay for my customers instead. I have a lot of coffee pot. Wagayo agreed. After that, the stranger girl asks Wagayo to eat with her. But Wagayo refused. She said, I already eat. Instead, let me help you with your work until you eat. The stranger girl gets happy when she hears that. The next scene, we see Wagayo's son and the priest talking about Wagayo's father's school. The priest says the school is closed and going to be sold. After that, we see Wagayo and the stranger girl getting along. Wagayo asks the stranger if she see a driver 20 years ago. The stranger says, I was not born then yet. Her customer laughs when she says that. This makes the stranger angry. After that, the stranger asks her what is his name. Wagayo replies, his name is Shifarao Makonnen. And the stranger asks her customer, do you know a man called Shifarao Makonnen? The customer says, we were not born then yet. This pissed the stranger girl. She have an anger issue. After that, the stranger tells Wagayo to ask the neighborhood. And out of nowhere, an old man comes to the stranger's restaurant. And the stranger girl asks him if he knows a driver called Shifarao. The old man says, I don't know. I don't get along with drivers. But you can ask a hotel. Drivers usually sleep in hotels. And Wagayo says, which hotel? And the old man gives her location. She paid and left. After that, we see Nana looking after her sheep. She even gives them names, kind of cute. And Grandma's brother comes. Nana is terrified of him, so she runs. Grandma's brother could not find Wagayo's son where he tied him. He asks his servant. His servant replies, I was here the whole time. Maybe Nana took him out in secret. Nana is in trouble as usual. She runs away, Grandma, but Grandma was sick this time. He managed to beat her, but the ghost rescue her before he completely destroys her. And Grandma calm her down. After that, we see Wagayo's past memory. When she was young, a group of guys were picking on her because she doesn't talk to them. After that, a strange driver gets out of his truck. This guy was feared by everyone. He tells them, if you touch her again, I will kill you. And they run away. After that, we see Wagayo asking someone where she can find the hotel owner. And he replies, I don't know. I was hired in this hotel like a year ago. I will ask someone who works here for a while. After that, we see Grandma and her brother talking. He tells his sister to send David Samir until his daughter marriage is made. After that, Grandma says, your nerve. After what you do to Nana, you want me to send my grandson somewhere? I already pay a lot of money for the disgrace my daughter brings to this family. Your daughter marriage is going to be made one way or another, and they separate. After that, another memory of Ogayo when she was young with her friend. They go to somewhere to have a drink and fast food. Wagayo is the reason they come in the first place. So she can see the stranger. I think she have a crush on him. Then eventually she found him. They have an awkward conversation and they separate. After that we see Nana telling Grandma what her brother did to her grandson. Grandma gets angry, but she let it slide this time. After that we see Grandma's brother looking for David and hide him again until his daughter wedding is done. Eventually found him.